Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and get into this video. The material you're going to need is a 5.0 millimeter hook, some yarn. Also, you're going to need some scrunchies and some scissors and needle. Alright, to start off this scrunchie, you're going to go ahead and create a slip knot. Once you create that, you're going to take your hook and you're going to put it through the scrunchie and place the slip knot onto your hook. So what we're going to do now is, of course, we'll go ahead and pull through your loop, and around the whole entire scrunchie we'll do single crochets until we reach the end part of the first single crochet on the scrunchie. Alright, so now that we're at the end, we're going to go ahead and do a slip stitch and then chain 2. Now with this chaining 2, we're going to do at least 5 to 6 or probably even 4 double crochets into each stitch, and that's what's going to create that wavy look and make it look scrunch up. Now this is going to be our first set, or you could say at least first row for this ruffle scrunchie. And again, we're going to do at least 5 to 6 or maybe even 4 double crochets into each stitch. And we're just going to repeat this process until we make our way around the full scrunchie. Okay, so now we're gonna get ready to start the second row, but this is how your scrunchie should look. Your ruffle should be looking like this, or at least something similar if you're following the same pattern or different. But we're gonna do the same thing in each stitch. We're gonna do 5 to 6 double crochets all the way around. All right, so now that we have our scrunchie finished, we're going to go ahead and cut the yarn and create a knot so it won't unravel. Now what we're going to do is take that piece of yarn, needle it through the needle, and sew it through the ruffle of the scrunchie so it will be hidden and won't, show out or anything like that. So now that we're done with our scrunchie, this is how it should look, or at least, again, something similar to it. Y'all, I really love making these scrunchies, but this is also how it looks on. Thank you for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe.